2021 Suzuki Smash. Before we start, please subscribe our channel, and click the notification bell, so that you will be notified for the new video upload. The Suzuki Smash is Suzuki youth-oriented scooter. The #1 underbone motorcycle in the leisure category of Motorcycle Development Program Participants Association Incorporated. Smash has surely come a long way because of its excellent performance on the road, and outstanding features that makes it a standout among other bikes. Smash promises to give you a smooth riding experience with its 4-stroke 115cc engine combining accessible, responsive power with excellent fuel efficiency. The bike has a sporty yet practical design which is available in 8 colors, including the exclusive blue option for the more expensive variant. There are colors that appeal to both men and women. All Smash variants is a sports watch-inspired analog instrument panel that incorporates a gear shift indicator. The underbone bike also gives its rider an 8-liter storage compartment, located underneath the seat with a comfortable height. The Smash 115 is also fitted with a 100mm muffler that enhances performance while minimizing emissions and engine noise. Powering the Smash is a 115cc, 4-stroke, single overhead camshaft, 1-cylinder, air-cooled engine that produces 9 horsepower, and 9 Nm of torque. The bike is a 4-speed transmission with an auto clutch. This bike also cares for the environment with the features, called Pulse Secondary Air Injection System, which injects fresh air to ignite unburned gases in the exhaust. As such, it comes at a budget-friendly entry-level price of 58,900 Philippine pesos for the dual drum brake-equipped variant, and 61,900 Philippine pesos for the disc and drum brake-equipped variant. What do you think of 2021 Suzuki Smash? Let us know of your comments. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to our channel for more updates. Thank you very much for watching.